What is the main difference between a daughter and a daughter-in-law?
Well, daughter is somebody you've grown up with, right? So you know her temperament, you know what makes her angry or what, how to deal with that person. So a daughter-in-law, you're meeting her when she's an adult person already, and you don't quite know what her temperament is like. So it takes time to gel. The new girl, your daughter-in-law, is coming to your house. So you need to welcome her. You need to make her more comfortable. If she's used to a certain kind of food, if the onus is on the boy's side to welcome a girl and make her, comfortable.
Yeah.
And not interfere too much, because it is a new relationship. And if I say, well, when my son was young, this is what he liked and this is his favorite dish, you should allow their relationship to grow more than try and take over.